Hi, it's Diane. It's laundry day here. Just got a couple things. I'm going to start with a t-shirt. Going to do shoulder to shoulder. Take the sleeves, tuck, and flip. Another one. I always start shoulder to shoulder, tuck, and flip. The other way you can do a shirt is you can lay it down flat, do shoulder to shoulder, get your long sleeves out there, flip them over, and then over we go. Pair of pants. I like to shake them out good. We can either put the two sides together, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, or we can lay them on the ground, fold in half, fold in half, and fold in half again. And there's my laundry for the day. Thank you for joining me.